Yes, it's an agro-based industry which is involved in manufacturing of food-safe colors and flavors. They are the market leaders in their area. It is almost export-oriented company. Any idea which company I'm talking about? Hi guys, this is Priyanka Karande and I welcome you all to my channel all about finance. And today we are going to analyze AVT Naturals Limited, which is involved in manufacturing of food safe colors and flavors. Now let's try to understand the main business of this company. This company is basically involved in extraction of natural ingredients from plants. And these extracts are then used in pharmaceutical industry, food industry, cosmetic industry, feed industry, and many more. They aim to improve everyday quality of life through their natural ingredients. They are engaged in manufacturing of food safe colors and flavors. They provide natural ingredients which play important role in disease prevention and health enhancement. So basically they are involved in extraction of colors and flavors from natural sources. It's very important to analyze the business of the company before analyzing the stock of the company. We should have a complete understanding of the business of the company. Before analyzing the financial reports of the company, we should analyze the business activity of the company. AVT Naturals is the largest exporter of marigold oleoresins in the whole world. Oleoresins are basically a combination of oil and resins which is extracted from plants. They are highly concentrated substance which exist in liquid form. Marigold oleoresin is a natural pigment which is extracted from marigold flower. It has a bright color which is used in pharmaceutical industry, food industry, cosmetic industry. They are also used in dairy products. Apart from this, they also provide paprika oleoresins, pepper oleoresins, turmeric oleoresin, ginger oleoresin, garlic oleoresin, and etc. The product of this company basically falls under three main categories. First one is the natural colors and flavors. Second one is the essential oils. And the third range includes all the antioxidants. These natural colors and flavors are the extract which is obtained from fresh flowers and fresh spices. This includes your turmeric extract, your paprika extract, and many more. Essential oils are the volatile liquid or the aromatic volatile liquid which is obtained from plants through steamed distillation process. Example of essential oils are your celery extract, your nutmeg extract, ginger extract, rosemary extract, and etc. And the last product, which is the antioxidants range, it covers coffee and tea extract. They have their market in three different segments. They provide raw material to food and beverage industry. They also provide ingredients to health, human health and nutrition industry, and also animal health and nutrition industry. Apart from this, they are also going to come up with a new product for crop science. With the growing consumer awareness regarding the food safety and quality, this company helps the customer to boost their confidence by providing ingredients which are manufactured or which are extracted from natural sources. They also have a wide variety of nutraceuticals ingredients which have a added health benefit. They provide customized variants in tea segment. They also provide solution to improve animal health. They have designed products to increase or to promote the performance and the productivity of animals. Hair pigments is used to increase the nutritional value for the poultry farm. They are also going to come up with a product for crop science. Crop science is a study of crop fiber with their environment in order to improve the quality of crops. So these were all the different segments in which they provide their material. Now let's have a look at the number crunching part of this stock. This is a small cap company with a market capitalization of 695 rupees in crores. Market capitalization is basically the net worth of the company. The PE ratio of this company is 19.49, whereas the industry PE is 3.4. So we can say that the stock is overvalued, but it is justifiable with its future potential growth. PE ratio helps us to give the idea about how much time we are ready to pay in order to acquire this stock, or it is the price which we are ready to pay of its earning. The face value of this company is rupees 1. The face value is the original value or the nominal value of the stock which is written on the share certificate. The current market price of the stock is 45.70. Its 52-week high and low is between the range 18.6 to 47.5. This 52-week low and high is a band or it's a range between which the stock price is moved within a year. So this was all about the valuation of this company. Now let's have a look at the past performance of this company. Here we can see that there was a continuous growth in their top line or the revenue of the company from the year 2016 to 2019. Also, the profit has increased from 2016 to 2017, but there was a slight decrease in the profit from the year 2018 as compared to the previous year. And in 2019 also, the profit figures have decreased. But what I think is this company has a great potential for future. Why I am saying this again and again? See, the major competitor of this company or the major competitor for the products of this company was China. And in the current situation, most of the Chinese products have been banned. So it gives a good opportunity for this company to show a growth in future. They have not yet announced the results for this quarter, but what I think is the results may not be that good because of the prevailing pandemic situation. But in the upcoming future, they definitely have a growth potential. Now let's have a look at the shareholding pattern of AVT Naturals. 74.96%, which is almost 75% of the shares are held by promoters themselves, which shows us a very good signal or which gives us a green signal. See, if the promoters are having more than 50% of the shares with themselves, it shows the confidence of the promoters in their own business. 0.06% of the shares are held by DIIs, which is domestic institutional investors, which includes banks, insurance companies, and mutual fund houses. 24.98% of the shares are held by non-institutions, which includes investors like you and me. So this was all about the shareholding pattern of AVT Naturals Limited. I have taken this screenshot from Money Control website in order to show you the sentiments of the community. And here we can see that 93% of the Money Control users have recommended to buy this stock. So it's a good buy or it's a good stock to be a part of our portfolio. Now let's have a look at the auditor's remark or the auditor's report of this company. No adverse remark have been mentioned by the auditors of this company, which helps us to interpret that the data is reliable and the numbers are not cooked up. The notes to account forming part of financial report are self-explanatory and needs no clarification. Now let's quickly try to conclude what we discussed today. This AVT Naturals Limited is a market leader in its area. They are the largest exporter of marigold oleoresins in the whole world. China was the competitor for their product, but now, because of the current situation, most of the countries have banned Chinese products. So this gives a good opportunity for this AVT Naturals Limited for their products. Also, the majority of the shares are held by the promoters themselves, which shows the confidence of the promoters in their own business. This company has a good growth potential because of increasing demand of food safe flavors and colors both in food industry as well as in nutraceutical industry. The stock is available at a cheap price, so it's good to add the stock in our portfolio. AVT will hold a meeting of board of directors on 29th July 2020 where they are going to announce their results for the first quarter. I don't think that the results of the first quarter will be good because of the prevailing pandemic situation. But this company definitely has a good future growth potential. So this was my study, my analysis regarding this stock. Don't buy any stock based upon others' recommendation. First you analyze the stock on your own and then take decision accordingly. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like my content, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.